How to fix receiving account not showing up on Payoneer. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Smith, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix receiving account details not popping up or showing up in Payoneer. Well, the process itself is simple. I'll just get to Payoneer official help page. Now first things first, what are receiving account? A receiving account is essentially a set of bank account details based in a specific country and currency. You provide these bank account details to your clients or marketplaces you work with in those countries in order to receive payments via bank transfer directly into your payment account. Or where can you view your receiving account details? To view the details of your receiving accounts, if you are unable to find it, simply sign into your account, right? Payoneer account. Click on Get Paid tab and choose Receiving Accounts. Use the filters to help locate specific accounts. Click on an account to view its guidelines and bank account details, and you should be able to see it. So if you want to view it on your mobile app, sign in and tap on Balance, tap Receiving Accounts to see receiving account details. To share the receiving account details with the client, you can tap on Share, review the guidelines, and tap Share account details. So this is how you can do it. I hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.